Hello, this is how to edit Universal Tailor website. First thing you need to go is select universaltailor.com website, the URL, then add to /wp admin and click enter. It will go to this screen I'm showing you right now. You add the username and the password over here. We will provide you with that. Then click login. On the left hand side, you will see pages, posts, media, products. These are all the only things that we recommend only to edit. We recommend also to edit the slider evolution. All that will come up now. To edit the homepage at the beginning, when you go to the homepage of the universaltailor.com, you will see now after logging in a black banner on the top. It said edit page, edit with Visual Composer. Click on edit page. Now over here you will see a revolution slider, Bangkok bespoke product, pictures, the text, read more, all of that. To edit any of this, just need to click on the pencil and edit the text. The text here, editing is much similar to Word document. Over here you see the alignment, you see the black quote, block quotes, you see the bold, italic, all of that is exactly similar to the Word documents or Microsoft Word. Now, after finishing and finish editing the text here, click Save Changes. Then after that, update. It's all the same way. If you want to edit, for example, a single image here, click on it and add the image that you want to change to it. After that, click Save Changes and update. The only different thing is over here is the revolution slider. If you want to edit the revolution slider, go to the left hand side, click slider, and revolution slider is actually the slider on the home page. So if you want to edit that, click on the revolution slider on the left hand side, and you see lookbook, homepage slider, Instagram slider. For now, we need to only uh, to edit the homepage slider. Click edit. Now over here you will see the pictures with the text with it, and if you want to change to another one, you can see also just click over here and you will see the picture and the text with it. If you want to edit the text, just double click on it. It will come up with a black bar here. You can edit the text that you want. Also, the editing here is much similar to Word. Over here you see font weight. You can change it, the font size, the font style, and the position of the font. If you want to change the picture, just click on change image and change the picture to anything you want. If you want to add a new slide, you can add a blank slide or duplicate another slide by clicking duplicate here. It will come up with another slide. If you want to edit that slide, just select the slide and click edit. Edit it, for example, here. If you want to change the position, select it like this and drag it to the outside. Now after that, click save slide. Now you will see all these changes happen to go to the home page. If you go to the last slide, you see the last slide is the one that we just selected. Now, if you want to take off the slide, it's very simple as well. Just hover on top of it. It will come up as delete and click delete. After deleting the slide, click save changes. Now, something you need to know when you're changing an image and selecting one, the image should have the correct side. If you don't have the correct side, it will come up as blur. Over here, the size of this image 1920 556, and we don't recommend that. We recommend something full width like this one, 563 2011. After that, you click insert, and it will come to the page. Okay, that's for the home page editing. Now let's go for an example page like bespoke. It's much similar to the home page editing. Just click edit page. Over here you will see blocks. Now the only thing here, you cannot add something new, you just need to duplicate because it has some classes in it. After you duplicate, click edit here. You change the title here. Let's put an example. Change the picture to anything you want. And after that, if you want to add the URL, you can add it. After doing that, you click save changes. If you want to see the changes that we just done, click on preview changes before updating, just to make sure that you've done it correctly. If you see there is something wrong, you can go back and editing it without losing any content. So as you see here, I just added the example and it worked fine. Okay, and now I'm going to delete it. Just click delete and click update. Okay, let's go back to the bespoke page and go to the shared page, for example. It's very simple page. Also the same, click edit page. You'll see it's all the same, but it's just the only difference is there's the way it's laid out. That's it. Now, for example, let's say we want to add a new section. Just need to clone this row here. It's actually after you clone it, you can drag it and put it wherever you want. But let's keep it here for now. If you want to edit the image, you can click it like this. Design option, change the image. Let's say we want to change it to this one here. Set image. And wait for the changes to happen. If you do wait for the changes to happen and click save, it will take off the changes that you did. Then now click save. Over here, if you want to change the color of the row, click over here. Background, design option, sorry. Now change the background color here to whatever you want. Let's put it, for example, pink. Now over here, click edit page, edit text, sorry. You can change it to anything you want as well. Make sure you select only this. For example, click save changes. Now let's preview the changes. Go down and it will show you the changes we just done. See the background color, the image, all of that has changed. If you want to update the changes, click update. If you want to remove them, don't click update and just leave the page as it is. For now, I'm just going to delete this one to make sure. Okay, leave the page. Now, that's for all the bespoke products. Now, if you want to go to any of those, they are all the same. Trunk show as well. It's the same way. It's very simple. Just go in and edit the text. If you want to go to the online store, it's still saying coming soon. For now, we don't have any content in it. Let's go to the bespoke products process. It's the same way. Let's take get fabrics. The only thing that's different is fabrics. It has because it has inner pages. Let's say see pure cotton. Pure cotton page is very simple here. Also, any of these pages. But now, if you want to add any of these to fabrics, just click edit page. And you can see here the image, the URL. It's all the same. It's all the same layout. The only thing is different is the layout here over here. Let's go back to the page. There's nothing different on each of these pages. It's just simple text and text here. Let's say if we want to add a new one. As you see here, it's just text